How to open Roblox when it's not working. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course open our Roblox account right here, and then make sure to open it in your browser. And then once you now here, the next thing that we need to do is to uninstall our Roblox app in our device. So just go here on the settings and then search for add or remove programs, and then click this one right here. Once you do that on the search bar, just search for Roblox, and then you will now be able to see this Roblox. So all you have to do is to click this three dots and then click uninstall, and then install it again. And then once it's been uninstalled, the next thing that we need to do is to install it again by going back here into our browser and then just play a game so that we can download the Roblox player. So click this play button right here and then click download Roblox. After that, let's wait for this to finish and then click open file. After that, it's now being installed. Now, the next thing that we need to do if it's still not working is to go here on the task manager. So just search for task manager right there. And then in this part, just look for any Roblox that is running. So all you have to do is to right click on it and then click end task. And then try to open it again and see if it works. Now, if it's still not working, the last thing that we can do is to go here on the search bar once again and then search for run and then click enter. And then in this part, just type %temp percentage and then click OK. And then in this part, just select all of the files right here and then click delete button. After that, for this one, just click do this for all current items and then click skip, because there are some files that you can't delete. And then once you're now here, just restart your PC or your laptop and see if it is now working. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to open Roblox when it is not working.